When we say energy flow, apart first, in a technical way, not the spiritual part, but the technical way, for example, in the wave transfer, there is an energy every time that you walk, okay? If we flow with this energy, okay, we can create a better synchronization with that transfer of weight, and we use this energy to create from this starting movement, okay? Imagine no, let's see. We are using the energy of the weight transfer, okay? I can use, in this position, I can use 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a energy process happening in here, okay? The energy that I'm not using, or we are talking in this case, is the weight transfer. So I have weight transfer. So I'm going to use that energy, that inertia, that momentum to create another step. Zoom, okay? I use my body and that momentum to create another step. If I don't use the momentum or I don't use that energy, for example, and I crash with that energy flow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I want to make her go backward, but I use the opposite flow of the energy, so we are going to crash. This is a very opposite example, but you saw that we crashed. We didn't use the momentum for that wave transfer. As we did the eights before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And we can continue with the flow because we use that execution to that wave transfer and that energy to create something from that first movement, from that transfer of weight. So when we use the movement of the pivots, the energy flow in the pivots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. This one, I didn't have to lead. Natalia is continuing. Yes, you can stop. I'm using her flow, and at some point I don't need to use it anymore. Basic 2, or balanza, okay? Because we are not using too much basic 2. Balanza. I lead her. I give the input, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's done. I continue dancing, I don't have to give more input. So there is a flow of energy in this process that I will use to stop an elevation.
You will transform it.
Yeah, I will transform, thank you. I will transform that energy into something else. So I'm using that flow to create from the starting position or from the continuous flow of that energy into something else. I will transform that energy. Thank you for that one. Good? Ay, ay, ay.